Laredo, Texas. Laredo, Texas. This is Mike Reed with information on your Manitowoc training class. Your date is October 26, 2023. It's a full day class from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. It's going to be at the Embassy Suites, 110 Calle del Norte. Please contact JREYES or just go ahead and go to your local baker supply house, sign up, and pay for the class. It's $85. Once you get signed up for the class, once you attend the class, you're set for the whole year as far as being able to do work and get paid for it if it falls under warranty, as far as a new display or anything like that. So it's a short and sweet for you guys. One day, Thursday, October 26th. Go ahead and contact Juan Reyes and get signed up for the class.